Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your May love and work forecast for Cancers. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, and join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednesdaytarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading; it may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends. Make sure to watch the May pick a card readings. I have already started them and done quite a few of them, so make sure to check them out. Also, for the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, check to our Hindi Urdu channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu, friends. Let's see, Cancers, what is the theme of the month of May for Cancers? All right, the shadow side. Ooh, workaholics. Ooh. Oh my god, Cancer. So I feel you are definitely, this month is about money, and work. What is what is important for you, those things. What makes you tick? All right. Cancers, this month is a very powerful month for you. This month is you are gaining a lot of self power, a lot of self control. You are coming on top of the things you thought you could never overcome, you thought you could never achieve. Some sort of an addiction, some sort of a health issue, some sort of a past pain, or something which was blocking you, which was becoming a problem. You are going to come on top of it, you are going to come out of it, and you're gonna be a winner, so which is wonderful. And I do feel, Cancers, right now you're feeling like this is you have been working a lot, you have been, this is the end of your patience right now. It is like you are at the last thread of your patience. You are like, how long will we fight? How long will we have to wait? Where is all this going? Don't worry, friends, don't worry. May will bring you some sort of a hope. May will also bring you relief. You are going to come on top, friends. Cancers, remember this thing. You are going to overcome anything that's blocking your path in the month of May. Especially health issues, you will overcome them. Money issues, you will overcome them. You will find, even if you cannot overcome, you will find strength. You will find this courage. It is like, you set a goal, like you want to do, like you have financial issues, so money will start coming and you will start connecting with your power. Like, yes, if you do something, you can earn money, and it will boost your confidence. It will make you feel connected, it will make you feel inspired, motivated. So, wonderful energies. It's a powerful month for you, friends. Yes. And I do feel like I do feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus this month, Cancers, and I do feel like this connection is a twin flame connection, or it is a confusing sort of an intense connection for you. If you are single, there is an interesting connection coming your way. Don't give up. So, this is you're gonna overcome, friends. You're definitely going to connect with the power in you, Cancers. It's a very powerful month. And if you have set any goals, don't worry. You are going to achieve them. You are going to overcome them. Let's see how your love life will be, Cancers. Okay, I don't want the clumps actually. Please, can we have oh my god. Cards are really jumping out. These are the energies. It's, very crazy energies, very intense. I hope you all are doing great actually, because times are indeed. I told you earlier also in the readings, isn't it? I try to warn you people as sneakily as I can. All right, so yeah, love life for Cancer in the month of May. Ooh, okay, interesting. Love life for Cancers in the month of May. Ooh, my god, the couple is here. The Queen of Wands, the King of Wands. Alright, so I do feel, friends, some of you are definitely trying to connect or manifest a new love relationship. Yes, I do feel you want a new start in your life, or you are done with the past and you are like, I want a fresh new start. I want my happy ending, my happily ever after now. So definitely you start the month of May focusing on your future, focusing on your new things, new ideas, new ways, new people. You want something new. And yes, some of you are definitely Cancers working on manifesting a new lover. You are definitely trying for that, and I think you are going to be lucky, because if you haven't yet met this person, they are coming. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I do feel there is a very interesting connection coming towards you. I also feel this could be for some of you a twin flame that's coming in. And this is like, for most, if you are already married, this person, your love life will get very romantic in the first week. There will be a lot of passion. You're trying, but I feel, Cancers, you're trying to manifest something in the first week regarding your love life, maybe a new connection, a new relationship, or more passions. Yes, and let's see the second week. Wow, I do feel that with the second week, you are definitely spending more time with your family, with your friends, and finding love near your home, in the neighborhood. That's more important to you now in the second week. I also feel that someone from the past could be on your mind, or they could be reconnecting with you in the second week of May. I also feel that some of you might actually walk out of a relationship in the second week. Like, you were waiting for a person, you have already moved on, but you still had hope in that connection. But you might walk away in the second week because you are like, I'm done with it. I'm done with it. I'm done waiting. It is time for me to move on. I also feel that there is a soulmate relationship that's coming towards you, and this person could be a childhood friend or somebody you know in the past, or you once dated but you lost contact with. But I also feel for most of you, it is a new person, friends. It is a new person, a soulmate who is coming towards you. And this you may meet this person, at a family function, or they are somebody who is very friendly, very caring, like a family friend to you, or they will be a family friend to you. Some of you may also be meeting this person through family, like a matrimony site or family or something like that. But the second week is more about nostalgia. You're missing, you are thinking about somebody from the past and spending time with family. This third week of May is very interesting, friends. Yes, there is a celebration coming, or there is a celebration. There is also a lot of happiness and a lot of joy coming for you in the third week. I do feel that there could be a younger person trying to reach out to you, Aries, Leo, Sag person in the third week. And I also feel that if someone was behaving arrogantly, immaturely in the past, you will notice a change in this person. You will notice, like, yeah, now this person is more mature, they are more confident, they are more stable, and you can count on them this time, and this will make you feel happy. Also, if this is a new connection, you will go out on dates, or you will have an online date, as we all are having that. Unless you live in the same cities, then you might be able to meet them. But yeah, if you are in different cities, an online date, a very passionate connection is there for you in the third week. Let's see the fourth week of May. Wow. Yeah, I do feel that in the fourth week of May, you are a bit lazy, Cancers. You are like, I'm tired. Yeah, so I do see that you'll be taking it slow in the fourth week. You are taking your time in love and in relationships. I also feel that you would like your relationships to expand. Like, if you are in an online connection, you want to meet that person, you want your love life to expand. You're just not happy with an online thing or with just talking. You want things like, if you are in relationship, you want marriage. If you are married, you want to meet the family, the have a baby, expand it, move into a new house. You want the next thing. That's what you want. I think you will also be very busy in the final week. So you are like, or your person might be very busy, Cancers, in the final week of May. So yeah, I do see that you will be like, yeah, let's take some time out, or you are like, yeah, let's take it slow right now. So I do feel that focus is on other things in the final week of May rather than on love, the moon. Very, very emotional week. The final week of May is actually very big. So, you can expect some emotional drama, you can expect some emotional charge, sparks to fly, and a lot of emotions, lot of intensity. So let's see some advice for you, Cancers. I do see that, whatever is blocking you, you will overcome it. It's like If there was a person who was not committing you, if you were manifesting love, you were not able to manifest it, now you will be lucky. Cancers, positive movement forward, the waiting game and the power. So I do, oh, 8 8, wow, that's a number of destiny. So I do feel a fated connection is coming your way, and it could be a twin flame that's coming your way, or a very important soulmate. I do see that your focus is, you should focus on the positive and new things rather than the past. You will feel very attracted to the past, friends. There, or even the past may knock your, they might knock your doors, but I would suggest you to not answer it. Oh, because it is your time to move forward. It is time to take a look to the future in your love life positively, and also do not be in a hurry to give up on your dreams. If you are waiting for marriage, or if you are waiting for a call, don't give up, friends, because I do see that there is going to be some sort of a news or message. What you are waiting for, it is going to arrive. Power, number 8. So you are very strong, friends. Don't doubt your power in your love. Believe in yourself. You can manifest, you can achieve anything you want in your love life and relationships. So don't give up, Cancers. You can win anything you want, and you can manifest anything you want. So let's see your work and career in the month of May, Cancers. Wisdom. Oh, temptation. This card is coming a lot. And also because the planets are in retrograde, so that also is a collective energy. The triumphant success, throat chakra, and foundation and achievements. Wow, I do feel, Cancers, you will be very tempted, to work a lot, and to worry about money, to be stressed about your work. You want to be like, I want to work 24 hours. You have this Capricorn energy in you, this Taurus energy in you, Cancers, where you are like, I want to super achieve, I want to work, I want to do this, I want more money, more success. But this is not what you need to do this month. This is a temptation. You have to stay in balance, friends. You will also feel like overworking all night, all day. Your routines may be a little all over the place, Cancers, but you need to not give up and to be balanced, friends. This is very important, because you are really going to achieve something, because see, look at that triumphant success. You are going to achieve a victory. You are going to achieve a breakthrough in your finances, in your job and career. So if you are stuck, like if you are worried insanely, like when will I get a job, chances are high in May your money situations will resolve. If you are having some toxic or negative influences at work, you will be able to overcome them. Any challenges at work, you will overcome them. So stay patient, friends. I do feel this month is going to change your life. Especially after this month, your life will be changed. So be patient. And wisdom, yes, I do feel that some of you will start teaching this month, or you are learning, and you will put your learning into use in the future for teaching, for for a leadership role in the future. I also feel some of you, you're very wise, friends. So you must listen to your intuition. Like if you are not studying, or if you are, I don't know how to say this. There is this imbalance happening within you, Cancers. It is like you have everything, but you are still unhappy, or you want to super achieve everything. So just be patient. Everything is happening. The sunrise is happening. When the sun rises, it rises a bit slowly, but the sun eventually does come out full, right? So that is how it is. Throat chakra, communications are very, very important. You are going to get a lot of messages from the universe, from your ideas, from your mind, from your heart, divine signs, from people around you. So you will have to trust your intuition. You will have to listen to your mind, to these creative ideas. I do feel you are very intelligent. You have something important to share to the world, Cancers, and it is time to do that. And foundation and achievements, yes, you are going to achieve whatever you are working for or you want to achieve. Just stay balanced, friends. Just do not over worry or overwork or overburden yourself. because the way we are going, we all need to take care of ourselves. We need to be gentle and kind, our best friends, like our best friends. I also feel you may not feel like playing or taking some time off in the month of May, so that's not good. You should focus on enjoying life. Don't be too stressed out. What else? And I do see you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve, money, success, some exams you want to clear. You will be able to. So stay patient and stay positive. Let's see, cancers. Lobster, financial pinch. Yeah, some of you are definitely worried about finances. It will get better, friends. You will achieve more by singing, creativity, dancing, also by teaching what you already know. Tortoise, slowly but steadily you are getting ahead. Ladder, climbing towards success. So success is coming. You are moving towards success. April is important. Wow, something may be worrying you since April. So it will be resolved in May. You will be able to overcome it, not resolved, but overcome it. Rabbit, too much in concern with sexual matters. Oof. I do see it's a passionate month for you, friends. Pay attention to your finances. So you are definitely worried about your finances. It will get better, friends. It will get better. Success, yes, you will be successful. Lightning, control your anger or you'll be sorry. I do feel, friends, like this is like, you may feel very tempted to overwork, overburden, or, just be a little upset. I feel like you're upset with yourself rather than anybody else. You're angry with yourself, like, oh, I could have done this better. Don't do that. Be gentle with yourself. New job or a career? Yes, friends, you are going to get a new job, something online, something related to communications, creativity, something related to teaching, electronics, IT, media, information, technology. Not unsuccessful plans. You had been waiting actually for something, so it will happen in May. Seahorse, family is very important to you, friends. May is a wonderful month for you, and stay happy, stay positive. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.